Most beginners quit within the first 3 weeks. Not because home workouts don't work, because nobody told them what they were actually doing wrong. Bad habits formed early become permanent. And permanent bad habits mean zero results, wasted time, and eventually quitting altogether. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. But you do need to stop making these mistakes right now. Most beginners just pick random exercises they saw online. No order, no logic, no plan. Random training means random stimulus. Your body has no pattern to adapt to, so it doesn't adapt at all. You just get tired without getting better. Fix this immediately. Follow a simple 3-day structure. Push-pull legs. Pick one and repeat it every week. Write your weekly plan before Monday. Follow it exactly. Beginners treat warm-ups as optional. They go straight into squats or push-ups cold. Cold muscles are stiff muscles. Stiff muscles underperform and tear. You're risking injury and leaving performance on the table from the first rep. Spend 5 minutes activating your body. Jumping jacks, hip circles, arm swings, and bodyweight squats. Keep it simple. Before every session, do 2 minutes of movement and 3 minutes of dynamic stretching. No exceptions. Beginners do the same 10 push-ups every session for weeks. Same reps, same speed. Same effort. Your body adapts fast. Once it adapts, it stops changing. Doing the same thing repeatedly is maintenance, not progress. Every week, add 1 rep, slow the tempo, or reduce rest time. Even small increases count. Every session, try to do 1 more rep than last time on at least 1 exercise. Beginners rush reps. Hips sag on push-ups, knees cave on squats. Back rounds on hinges. Bad form shifts load onto the wrong muscles and joints. You build compensations instead of strength. Over time, those compensations become injuries. Slow everything down. Master the movement before chasing reps. Record yourself if you can, and compare your form. Every new exercise gets practiced at half speed for the first 2 sessions. Beginners feel motivated and train every single day. 6 or 7 days a week from day 1. More training is not always better training. Muscles grow during rest, not during the workout. No recovery means no adaptation. You burn out fast. Start with 3 sessions per week. Take full rest days between sessions. Sleep is part of the program. If you're sore from yesterday, rest. Soreness is not weakness. It's your body recovering. Beginners train by feeling. No notes, no records, no numbers. If you're not tracking, you're guessing. And guessing leads to inconsistency. Inconsistency kills results. Write down every workout, exercises, sets, reps, and how the session felt. It takes 2 minutes and tells you exactly what to do next. Fix these mistakes and everything changes. Structure your plan. Warm up properly. Apply progressive overload. Fix your form. Recover enough and track your work. That's the foundation. Get these right and everything else becomes easier.